morning, students. Today we shall deal with adverb. In the continuation of part of speech, now next topic is adverb. Students, you have to understand what is an adverb. So here we are having the definition. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, another adverb. So the basic thing that we need to understand is that it is a word that adds something to the meaning of verb, adjective, or adverb. Let us try to understand it from a simple example. There is a sentence, speak slowly. Suppose I write it, he speaks, and he speaks, and if I add this word slowly, then the meaning changes, means the person is speaking slowly. So he speaks slowly. So here the verb is being, its meaning is slightly changed. Before it was just he speaking, but now how he speaks. So we can many more words. He speaks slowly, he speaks nicely, he speaks gently. So these all these words, they are just adding to the verb, and here the verb is speak. So our definition here is that it adds to the meaning of a verb, and here it fulfills it. So these words are adverbs. Again we can see in more example, arrive late. So when he arrived late. Let us move on to some few more examples. She always keeps her word. So the word always, it is changing the meaning of the verb keeps. She always keeps her word, she seldom keeps her word, or she never keeps her word. So if I am changing, I am putting another word, like if I am putting seldom or I am putting never, all these words are changing the meaning of this verb. So if they are adding something to the meaning of a verb, it means these words are adverbs. So now let us again proceed to the definition. As they are adding to the meaning of verb, they are also adding to the meaning of adjective and adverb. We are having one more example. He is very strong. Now you are thinking, suppose I write this sentence, he is strong. So here the word strong is an adjective. He is very strong. So this word very is adding to this adjective. So this very is here, it is an adverb. So in this sentence we can see that an adverb is adding to adjective. So the statement here fulfills. Again we are having the example, she worked very quickly. So very is adverb and quickly is also adverb. So one adverb is adding to another adverb. So here we have completed the definition. Now we are going through the types of adverb. First is adverb of time. We just try to know in a sentence that we are able to recognize a word whether the word is adverb, adjective, noun, pronoun. This exercise we are going doing. So here adverb of time, and adverb of time tells us when an action happened, means that it tells us time. In easy language you can say we come to know about its time. And the words that are being used in this are, we are having a long list: never, lately, just, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually, so far, today, tomorrow, before, late, soon, immediately, already, yesterday, tonight. You have gone through these words, but now you know that these words are adverbs. So we are having an example here. Just see, we recently bought a new car. If I delete this word recently, so it becomes we bought a new car. But when we bought a new car, so the answer is given by the word recently. So here this word is adverb. Again we are having, he met me yesterday. So when he met me, so it is also, so this word, this adverb is adding to the meaning of verb. So in these sentences you can see, now he will be leaving tonight. So when he will be leaving, so this is the verb that are being modified by the word that is tonight. Now students, let us be on the second type, that is the adverb of place. So the word itself tells us we are talking about some place. So adverbs of place tell us where something, where means the place. So it shows where. And these are the words used as adverb: outside, above, anywhere, elsewhere, far, near, down, backward, hither, thither, within, without, here, there, downstairs, up, inside, away. So let us take an example. I met him downstairs. So where you met him? Downstairs. So this word is adding to the meaning of verb. So this is a verb and this is an adverb. Now so similar, another example, put the cake there. So where to put the cake? There. So again the verb is being modified, or it is adding, there is some addition in the meaning of the verb. So here this is adverb and this is verb. Next sentence is close the door when you go out. Same way we are having go. That is the verb, where to go? Out. And this is adverb. So next type is adverbs of frequency. So frequency. In this, it always describes how often something occurs. How many times it occurs. You could say how many times the work is or the matter occurs. So here always, these are the words that can be used as adverbs: always, often, usually, frequently, hardly, never, generally, rarely, etc. We are having lot others. So let us take an example. He hardly works. So how often he works? Hardly means he rarely works. So here this verb is being modified or adding by this adverb. Now take next example. He never helps me. So he helps me, but now he never helps me. Here we can add many more words. He often helps me. So the meaning of the sentence changes as we change the adverb, and this word is added to the meaning of this verb, and we have to consider this thing. Next we can say barking dogs seldom bite. Seldom. What is the meaning of word seldom? Seldom means rarely, hardly. So those dogs which bark, they hardly bite. So hardly means rarely. So here we come to know that how often the things occur. Either they always, or they hardly, or they happens never, or they seldom is also conveying the same meaning. Either it is generally or frequently. So when a adverb tells us how often, then it must be the adverb of frequency. So students, our next type is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell in what manner the work or something happens. So it normally describe how something happens. So the words that are used are cheerfully, painfully, carefully, slowly, badly, easily, well, quickly, bravely, etc. So he fought bravely. How he fought? Bravely. So this is adding to the meaning of the verb fought. Next is the essay is well written. How the essay is written? It is written in a well way, in a nice way. Next is the children were playing carefully. How the children were playing? They were playing carefully, they were playing cheerfully. So our verb is, we are adding something to the meaning of our verb. Now let us move to adverbs of degree. Here we are going to tell us how much or in what degree some things happen. Just take the definition of it. Tell us about the intensity of something. So let us have a look. These are the words: quite, to, entirely, very, extremely, rather, almost, absolutely, just, very. So let us see an example. Here he is very strong. So how much? So here it is telling how much strong is. He is very much, very strong. So we get the answer of how much. When we get the answer of how much, it is the degree. He is strong, we can write it strong, but he is very strong, and we can write it he is very, very strong. So if we are going to write it very, very strong, then here it is, this very is adverb, and this is again the adverb, and they are adding to the adjective. So here it is not adding to the verb, it is adding to one adverb is adding to another adverb, and they are adding to the adjective. Next is you are too greedy. So greedy is also an adjective, and too is adverb. So this adverb is adding to the adjective. So here we have coined all the adverbs. Now you have to notice and recognize the adverbs in the sentence, and students, you have to attempt the exercise given in your PDF. That's all.